Do you want to convert your PDF document into an editable Word document? In this quick guide, we'll show you how to do it easily and hassle-free. My name is Jackie, and at the end of this video, you'll be able to do it by yourself. So all you need is Word in Microsoft. So you can either drag the document and paste it onto Word, or click on Open to find your document. So here you browse for the document, but I already have my document pinned. So let's click on the document. So it will bring a pop-up. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it may not look exactly like the original PDF, especially if the original file contained lots of graphic. Let's ignore this and say OK, then work around our document. So this is the document. It's been converted to an editable Word document. So I'm going to begin my edits. I want to start with the graphics here. I'll click on Insert, go to Picture Format because I want to change that format. Then click on Crop to Shape. Then select a shape that I desire. So I want a rectangle that is rounded on the corners. That's it. And then I can also make changes here. So you can continue to make as many edits as you want or to add information to your document. Then after that, you can go back to saving your document as a PDF or in any way that you desire. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has been helpful. Please like our video and follow for more tips.